After 2 years of designs, prototypes, and advancements, we finally bring to you the revolutionary 3D printer, the JREV. Our JREV will bring a huge advancement to desktop 3D printers with its size, speed, accuracy, quality, looks, and usability. 3D printing has been around for decades, and through Kickstarter, we have the ability to bring 3D printing technology into households, schools, and small businesses around the world.
Often, the best technologies are the ones that solve everyday problems. In the 3D printing community, one of these problems is portability. I've experienced this problem firsthand when building my first 3D printer. It doesn't take a rocket scientist to know that big printers, they just don't fit in small cars and overhead compartments. At Japica, we wanted to make a printer that was easy to travel with without sacrificing that print volume. After extensive research, we found that the only way we could do this was to think outside of the box. And then the idea came. Why not print outside of the box?
As you can see, the JREV rises out of the box while printing. This gives the JREV an advantage in portability because it's only 5 inches tall initially, and it rises to however tall it needs to while printing. This is done using the Acme telescopic bolt system that we designed specifically for this printer.
We designed our JREV to be the printer that you want to show off to your friends and know it's worth the money just by its looks alone. The JREV printer is coated in leather on the outside, giving it a unique and bold look. Its briefcase size gives you the ease of carrying it around everywhere you go to use and show it off. We want you to be proud to own a Japica printer, and the JREV is the way we achieve that.
Years of development went into this printer. Part of that development went into solving the needs from people in the 3D printing community. To solve these needs, a 3D printer has to be accurate. It has to be quiet. It has to be portable. It has to be professional in appearance. And it has to be reliable. For new users, a printer needs to be easy to use and understand, along with the previous needs stated. The JREV meets and exceeds all those needs.
The JREV initially would cost more than $5,000 to build, test, and ship out our doors. We came to Kickstarter to lower our initial costs and to bring this new revolution to the market within a few months. With just 25 people signing up for our standard model, we could easily drop our prices from over $5,000 to just around $2,000. With even more people signing up, we could offer even better models than our standard and add upgrades that would initially cost a few grand to add on. Below this video will be more details.
In addition to getting out our JREV 3D printer out to the world, we would also like to release our 3D wall art. For those who would love to help out our campaign's success, but for some reason can't help out, at the $2,000 level and up, we have 3D wall art to give you in return. As an artist, I find 3D wall art to be a revolution in the art world itself. The 3D wall art brings life to the walls you hang them on. So why settle for 2D when you can go 3D?
We are Japica. And with your help, we can bring the JREV, the 3D artwork, and even more coming in the future. Thanks.
Japica!